guys, and welcome back. And today I'm going to show you my birds if you didn't know I had them. So they're right over there. Say hi. She's right over there. No, I can't point at her. Yeah, she's right over there. See her, guys? Over there. And you may not know I'm Punjabi. She's right there. She's my sister's, and mine is right at the top of the Corona time. She's right there. I may have to pause the video to catch her. So guys, I finally got here. She's in my hand over here. She's trying to fly away. Oh my gosh, she actually did. So guys, that was the end of the video today. And see you guys later. Bye.